Hi everyone, so I'm making a sliding valve air engine and it uses 608 ZZ bearing. I've got them anyway, so yeah, we'll see if this works. And this is the cylinder I'm printing right now. Hi everyone, so I decided to do this engine, which is very interesting because it's a sliding valve. As you know, I made a sliding valve engine with some brass and stuff like that, lathe, but finding one 3D printed, it excites me to know how they've done it and what they've done. So yeah, I have printed the parts. There are some parts which seem to be multiple parts of the same thing, so I'm going to see if I've missed any out because I haven't printed all the parts of the same thing, as it were. So yeah, I'm going to put this together and see how it works. I think some things have to be filed down, but it's a good thing he's given us this drawing, and I will leave a link obviously as always, and we've got loads of things here that tell us whatnot. So let's get on with it. Okay, so these are the parts that we did. I did video this being printed. You know, I had to put support everywhere on this one because I wasn't sure if it will do it right. It took ages to print. just to explain this a little bit more here, I'm trying to show you that the hole goes through there and comes out here, and this hole goes through there, comes out there. And what happens is when this is closed here, it's blocking it there, and so the air goes into there, pushes the rod that way, and then when it goes through there, pushes the rod the opposite way. And this obviously covers like that, this way.